Hi there, I'm Greg Wolf, Education Director of the Quad City Botanical Center. Welcome to our online resource. Today we're going to talk about the rainforest in different layers. So we have our emergent layer of our rainforest, which is the top trees that stick out from the canopy layer, which the majority of our life is going to reside. And then, as it gets shaded, you get the understory, where you have a little bit darker, but there's still life. And then the forest floor, the darkest layer of them all, but still very much alive. So today what we're going to do, we're going to go through and show you where some of these very tropical animals are going to be living. So let's just jump in and do it. Alright, so I have here a poison dart frog. You would think they live in trees, but they live on the forest floor. Now, in retrospect, there's another tree frog. This is a red-eyed tree frog. They never touch the ground ever in their whole entire life. They live in the canopy. Now, majority of our tropical birds, such as this toucan, live in the canopy as well. You have a wide variety of animals, such as fruit bats, because the fruit and nuts and nesting goes on in the canopy. But you get to some reptiles. Reptiles like a variety of areas in the understory. Now, can you guess where the howler monkeys live? Right, the canopy. Very good. You guys are good listeners. Now, there are a few that actually like the emergent layer. Harpy eagles are one of them. They nest up in the emergent layer. Another one would be our macaws. Now, there are jaguars in Central and South America. Where do you think they live? The understory? Forest floor? The forest floor! Good job. Now, ants. Majority of them will move up and down, but their homes are underground, so they are very commonly seen on the forest floor. Now, this unusual animal that, if you've ever been to a zoo, is a tapir. Tapirs, if you look at their body, they don't have climbing ability. So guess what? Yes, the forest floor. So those are just some of many species that live in our rainforest. So for more information and for an interesting craft, go to our website, www.ucgardens.com, to get some neat, crafty ideas.